Hello guys, Windows update errors are commonly in Windows version, but that does not make them less annoying. One of these errors is the 0x80070070, which informs user that they do not have sufficient space to complete the updates. Even if you have enough space, but still some error codes appears. Here are the fixes, and the first workaround is open Windows settings. In Windows settings, under system settings, go to troubleshoot, other troubleshoot, and run the Windows update troubleshooter, and let the window complete the process. It will detect problem and resolve accordingly. The second workaround to fix this issues is go to Windows search and look for disk cleanup. Open disk cleanup, select the drive, usually Windows C's, press OK. Here choose the file types, all types you wish to delete, and click OK. The next workaround is remove partition quotas. Open disk management, locate your Windows drive, right click on it and choose its properties. Go to the quota tab from the top menu bar and uncheck the option enable quota management box. Then click apply and then OK. The next workaround is, after that, restart your Windows 11 10 system and check your error code will not